Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Amber. In today's video, I'm going to show you products from the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Kits. And these kits include a jelly cleanser, a glitter face mask, a water gel moisturizer, a dew primer, and a glow stick. So if you want to see my review on all these products and see if it's something worth buying, then first make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. And then sit on back, relax, have a laugh, and I hope you enjoy this video. So I got both these kits from Ulta. The skincare set cost $18 and the glow kit cost $12. Now, if you didn't want to buy these kits, you can also buy each of these products individually as well. So I've been using these products for over a week now, so I have a pretty good grasp on them. So first I'm going to start off with the face wash. So at this point, it's starting to feel weird and things just don't feel right. And this is where I noticed, I'm not using the face wash. This is the glitter mask. Wonder it feels not like face wash. There it is. My bad. So what I like about this face wash, and actually all the products, is they all have a very light watermelon scent. Now I feel like it's almost like a watermelon and a cucumber infused scent, but it's very light and very refreshing. I also like that it cleans well. I wear a lot of makeup and a lot of waterproof mascara, and it took it all off. What I do not like about this face wash, it does not foam when you are lathering and scrubbing your face. So you're not going to get any suds, there's not going to be any foam. It just feels like you're rubbing serum on your face, and I don't like it. I want some foam and some lather when I'm scrubbing up my face. Now it's actually time for the glitter face mask. So I love the color of this face mask. I love the Barbie pink. It is beautiful. What I do not like about this face mask is when you rub it in, it turns clear. So you lose that pink. And then it says it's glittery. It maybe has a little shimmer to it, but you really got to look at it to try and see it. But this face mask does absolutely nothing. You put it on, it goes clear, you sit there for 10-15 minutes, you wipe it off, and I just don't see really anything that it does for my face. Now I'm moving on to the gel moisturizer. So what I like about this moisturizer is that it's gel. So that means when you put it on your face, it has a cooling effect. Almost like when you're putting that aloe, that kind of gel aloe on your face, it has that cooling. And this is gonna sink right into your skin, and it's gonna give it a nice, healthy glow. Now my only con for this is more of a personal con, and that is I cannot wear it before I go to bed. I wear a CPAP machine. So I've got this thing in my nose with straps. And so when I put any kind of moisturizer and then those big old straps are stuck on my face all night long, I always break out. So I cannot wear any type of moisturizer with that CPAP machine. So again, it's nothing against this product. It is more me.
Now on to the Dew Primer.
So this is going to give your face a beautiful dewy look. So at work today, I had someone tell me, your skin looks so dewy and glowing. And I was just like, ah! I was like, you're amazing, I love you. It was the best compliment ever, and it made me feel really good because I was like, yes, I'm testing out this primer. So it definitely gives your skin a beautiful dewy look. So what I love about this primer is it is sticky. So it is going to grab a hold of that foundation and keep it locked in all day long.
Looky here, I squirted foundation on my hand and made a heart. How cute.
Now normally when I put primer on, I would put it on and let it sit for a good 10 minutes before I put the foundation on. But with this primer, it works the best. If you put it on, maybe wait 30 seconds to a minute, and then put that foundation on. It's going to grasp a hold, and it's going to make your skin look amazing. So what I don't like about this primer is actually the same as what I like about it, and that is the dewy skin. So if I were to wear this every single day, I would also break out. So things that make my skin dewy and looking glowing, if I wear them too much, I will get some pimples and some breakout. So again, nothing against the primer. It is my skin.
Last but not least, the highlighter.
So what I love about this highlight, it's going to give you a nice, beautiful, wet looking highlight. So what I don't like about this is it does feel a little greasy. It does feel like you're taking chapstick and streaking it across your face.
And there you have it. Here is the final look using all the products. So if you were thinking of buying any of these products, I hope that my review helped you. So in summary, I would stay away from the face wash. It's just meh and nothing too exciting. The face mask is my least favorite, and I definitely would stay away from this product. I enjoyed the cooling feeling of this moisturizing gel, and I felt it made my skin look beautiful. I love this primer, but again, it's not something that I'm going to be able to use every day, but it still is great. And then finally, the highlight. Again, this will probably be a product that I enjoy and will use, but it will not be every day.
Well, thank you for watching this video. And as always, have a blessed day. Remember, Jesus loves you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.